Hi, I'm Alexander from Remy of Paris, and I'm joined here today with this amazing human hair piece. This is Darra. Darra is in the Amore Collection. She's long, she has luster. The feel of this hair is just sensational. I like this for many reasons. I love a human hair wig anyway. I love the versatility of human hair. This is Darra fresh out the box, so straight but unstyled. But she can go curly, wavy, straight, however your heart desires. But look at this, beautiful piece. And I'd like to show you the back, show you the layers in the back. So coming out the way in, you can see that lovely length all throughout the back. Still got its luster, still got its health, and still feels great. And a nice little tip with human hair is check it from the roots are always going to feel good because that's the young hair. But towards the bottom, this is much older as it's human hair. And so always check the mid-lengths and the ends. And for me, 10 out of 10, feels fantastic. Love this style. This is Darra in the Amore Collection. Now I'd like to show you the cap of Darra. Darra is in the Amore Collection, and this is a human hair wig. You can see this is 100% hand tied, has a beautiful extended lace front. We have PU on the front, PU on the sides, and PU at the back, should you want to glue or tape this for extra security. But these PU tabs add nice grip, so it's not needed. That's up to you. Darra has amazing lightness in the cap, lots of movement, and of course, she has adjustable straps at the nape area. The straps are concealed within the side of the wig. Now let me show you those straps. As you can see, it's on the outside, not the inside of the wig, and it's hidden with hair. So these inside straps are very discreet and very comfortable.